By Bomcrewmall pilot shirts. Our shirts are made with a quality that's a construction called single point stitch. It's 18 to 20 stitches per square inch. The thread used to manufacture these shirts is a 150 count thread, on a layman's lingo. It's a strong invisible thread. Any shirts from any company that are single point, they are just sharp looking shirts. We use mother of pearl buttons. They will not break unless you take a hammer to break. Our shirts have a special fusing in the collar between the two layers. We call it unbend or no bend collar. The collar remains good till the end of the life of the shirt, as many washers would do. Look, women's shirts. It's not like a borrowed men's shirts. Hidden placket, smaller collar, decently long tail to tuck in. When you're buying shirts from Bomcrewmall, it's an investment that has gone into a decade of experience, workmanship, and quality. It speaks. Thank you. Thank you for your time, and see you around the next Earth cycle. This is Anil signing off. Have a good one.